If you want to transform your outdoor space for the season, the secret is to think vertically. Stacked pumpkin displays instantly add dimension and height, turning any entryway or corner into a festive focal point. Today, we're sharing creative ways to build your own stunning pumpkin stack, one that blends balance, color, and seasonal charm. Get ready to elevate your autumn style. We'll guide you through 3 essential parts of building your perfect pumpkin tower: choosing a solid foundation, mastering the stacking technique, and adding personal touches to complete your look. Whether you prefer rustic charm or modern elegance, these steps will help you create a show-stopping autumn display that stands tall and proud. Every tall display starts with a strong foundation. The key is to use your heaviest and widest pumpkin at the base, so your arrangement feels grounded and secure. Decide whether you want natural or decorative pumpkins for your display. Natural ones give an organic, harvest feel, while decorative versions can last all season and allow for more creative finishes. Do you like mixing colors and textures in your displays, or do you prefer a more uniform, classic look? Share your favorite pumpkin style in the comments. Stability is the secret to a successful pumpkin tower. There are a few easy methods to keep your stack from tumbling over, and you don't need to be a builder to pull it off. Small details like rubber liners, felt pads, or soft moss between layers can prevent slipping and add texture. The goal is balance, not just in structure, but in design. If these stacked pumpkin decor ideas sparked your creativity, don't forget to like this video and share it with friends who love stylish seasonal decorating. Once the structure is complete, it's time to make it yours. This is where creativity takes over. Play with color, pattern, and subtle accents to express your seasonal style. Add a small wreath at the base, wrap string lights around the stack, or top it with a decorative accent like a leaf garland or rustic ribbon. These small choices turn a simple tower into a signature seasonal piece, one that glows with personality and warmth. For more creative decorating inspiration, DIY projects, and festive home ideas, make sure to subscribe and join us for more seasonal content. Your pumpkin display is complete, a beautiful vertical centerpiece that brings height, color, and festive charm to your home. With the right foundation, balance, and creative detail, you've built something that feels both welcoming and timeless. Whether it's indoors or out, this simple seasonal project transforms your space with cozy autumn energy.